to my life and make everything so interesting.
I love you, baby, I don't think I'm trying. Your beauty making me to realize you're my melody. Baby, now I'm on the you go give me, baby, Palanga. I wish you love that you never see. Oh, Palanga, you're the mother of my tomorrow. I go feel do anything, no, your love, you love me, your side, the body, wara. Mati, Monica, you sweet baby, you love me, killing me, Monica, I want to shop your supermarket, Monica, you go wake up for new Bugatti, Monica, anything for you till infinity. My love is beautiful, my love is wonderful, my love is colorful, my love, my beautiful, my love is a color, my love is Uranilono, my love is Arati Combo, my love is something for Congo. You like it, come pass up, baby, get up nice. All I get them to be left, you need to be right. If you like to watch movies, let me get surprised. It never gets at night, you can screen is bright. So I say, you like it, Versace, every night. Me and you, we wear too much, I'll take you to church, forget the Illuminati. If you like it, karate, I'll beat you. Mati, Monica, it's a team, baby, I love you, killing me. Monica, I want to shop your supermarket. Monica, you go wake up for new Bugatti. Monica, anything for you till infinity.
Deputy Governor of Imo State and your husband, who just left us a few moments ago, together with distinguished Senator Ken Nnamani, who also momentarily left. Various members of state houses of assembly that are here with us, both serving and retired, honorable members and government officials of Ebonyi State, Abia State, and Imo State who are here. The former Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Azubuike Onyabo Ihejirika, retired. Let me use you to reach out to all service commanders, all brigade commanders, and all senior military officials who are here, both retired and serving, the parents of the bride, Architect Nnamaya Oti, and your dear wife, my sister, Professor Nnenaya Oti, Vice Chancellor, Federal University of Technology, Owerri. All Vice Chancellors and their spouses of higher institutions who are also here with us. I want to recognize all of you, and I'll use you to reach out to the academia, the celebrant, the latest couple in the country, Engineer Ugochukwu Peter, and your lovely wife, Dr. Onyinyechi Nawale. Ordained servants of God, very respected traditional rulers who are here, friends and well-wishers of the newlywed, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen of the press. Today is a great day in the lives of the couple. There is a saying that there are two important days in the life of a man, and that also includes woman. The first one is the day he was born, and the second is the day he is joined to his wife. Of course, there is a third important day, which is the day the man lives, or the day he dies. Out of these 3 days, the first one, the man will be too young to know what is happening. The day the man dies, he will be too dead to know what is happening. And it's only when he gets married that he will be part and parcel of this celebration. So when I saw you dancing, I remembered my own time about 32 years ago. The dance style has changed though, but I think it's the same celebration. So I want to congratulate you. I also listened to your parents pray for you. And particularly I was touched when my sister confessed that she still cooks for her husband, even as a professor and a vice chancellor. There's no better admonition than that. So when you have your work cut out for you, look after your husband. Husband, the Bible tells us that our responsibility is to love our wives and of course provide for them. So I know that this is already a marriage made in heaven and it will succeed. Today is about Onyinye and her husband, Ugochukwu. But I think it also affords me an opportunity to put some certain things straight so that the records will be straight. In 2023, sometime in March, God decided to complete a job that He has started in 2015. I was somewhere and I got a message that Professor Nenaya Uti had been appointed as returning officer for Abia State. Of course, I had known about her, but I never met her. So there was a little bit of confusion going through my head. She was appointed Vice Chancellor sometime in 2021. And I tried to, because of similarity of names, I tried to reach out to her. I didn't have her number, so somebody sent me her number. So I called, she didn't pick the call. I sent her a message, she didn't respond. I said, this woman that doesn't want to talk to me and doesn't want to respond to my message, let me just leave her. And she never responded to that message up to today. I'm sure she's surprised. So when she was appointed a returning officer, I was a little bit scared to say, this woman that doesn't answer somebody, who knows what she will come to Abia to do. But then I left everything in the hands of God. And then she came and did something that people don't do. All the pressure that was mounted on her, she turned them down. And she did the right thing. And I want to use this podium this evening to recognize her and to thank her for what she did for Abia people. I think it's more like what she did for God, because she followed her conscience. If she didn't, I'll probably not be here today. The truth is that I had run an election in Abia in 2015 and won it, but the wrong result was announced by the returning officer. 2019 was the same case. So if she announced anything, nothing would have happened. You go to court. It took 2 months or 3 months after my swearing in. I was at my house when a friend of mine, who is the Oni of Ife, called me. He was at Imo Airport and said, Your Excellency, I'm here with Professor Nen Nayoti. I said, really, I don't know her, I've not met her before. He said, okay, hold on and talk to her. So he handed over the microphone, the telephone to me, and that was the first time I spoke to her. It's important to bring all these things up, because a few things have been said. Oh, of course she's my sister. But she's my sister from another mother in Ebonyi State, while I'm from Abia State. By the way, my mom was from Ebonyi State too, in Uburu. So somehow, maybe, you never know. But I thought it was appropriate to use this forum to thank her for the great job she did. And it's for Abia people to tell us whether there has been a change between that time and now. So while you are thanking God, you should also thank Professor Nen Nayoti. And that is why when I got this invitation, I said, no matter what happens, I will be here. And thank God that I'm here. Congratulations the couple, congratulations the parents, congratulations everyone who found himself in this place. And if you are not yet married, my prayer is that your own day is coming. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you.